Well, greetings YouTube, Performance Reviews, where I'm going to give you the review from the technician's point of view, except I'm not actually going to do that today. Today is just going to be a vlog where we're clearing out a basement of a vacuum shop, so stay with us. I'm going to show you some interesting things.
It's hard to believe, but all this stuff accumulated in about a year and a half's time in a vacuum shop. You see just about every make and model down there, from Miele to Oreck to Royal, even rare things like Watermatics, and not so rare things like Dysons. So rather than throwing this away, the vacuum shop gave me a call and asked if I could help them recycle this, and of course I obliged.
Alright, everything here is going to have its cord cut and thrown away. So after we've picked our vacuums that are going to go up to be recycled, they go in the elevator. Everything here is stuff that's going to be coming with me and hopefully rescued or brought to other vacuum collectors.
As you can see, there were many elevator loads sent up that day. It was actually quite a bit of work. I think I started around 10 a.m. and probably finished around 2 or 3 p.m. So let's go right back down there one more time and see the progress that I made. Again, I was just working by myself. I was told what I could and couldn't take and what was going to be scrapped and not scrapped. So as you can see, things have been organized a little bit. Some of this is still in disarray because I had to go do my taxes later that day. But most of it's cleared out. You can see everything's kind of nicely put away and organized by make. So hopefully this will help them work through the machines they have and be able to get parts and use what they decided to save. Now there is some stuff in that far corner that will be purged as well, but nothing of value will be lost there. As we go up the stairs, which are these old wooden stairs that are from like the 30s, this is a really old building, you can see this old Hoover rug and some Miele boxes and stuff. Now, I packed all this in my wife's Jeep, and it was to the ceiling. It ended up being 41 different vacuums. And that's not including power heads or accessories or anything else. It was a lot of stuff. It took me a good hour to unload the Jeep. I had it all Tetrised in there. And you can see some of the machines. They're all now safely in my basement, and I'm going to spend the next few weeks going through them and making repair videos and probably some review videos for you guys as well. And I hope to give a couple of these away to some of the Patreon supporters as well.
Well, here's what we didn't save. All this stuff's going to go get recycled by local scrappers. So thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Check out this video over here and hit that subscribe.